Yani Manchester United tumewin Premier League Player of the Season award, Premier League Signing of the Season award, and we are about to close this Premier League Young Player of the Year award. Yeah. Because when I look at all these players, I can see the only one standing out is Kobbie Mainoo. He's had a fantastic season. Coming with the way hii season imeanza, jamaa amekuwa kwa bench almost all the games na amecheza almost half the season. Na the impact that he has made, I'll not be surprised if Kobbie Mainoo wins this award. Now, bringing me to this question. How can a team win the Premier League without any of their players getting individual awards? So who was playing better in your team? How can a team win a Premier League without any of their players winning anything? Because for you to win the Premier League, there are some players who need to stand out. Nikiangalia hivi sioni. That's why we are saying Premier League this season has been rigged. Not this season, last season. Best coach of the year, I'm very sure ikiekwa Michael Carrick atawin, because he has garnered more points than any other team since coming in. So if there is any individual award na kuna any of your players in there, sahau, because hizi zote zinaenda na Manchester United.